Can you start it for me real quick? You sure it's not overheating because of the fans? Alright.
Well, he said he's going to rebuild all motor.
Yeah.
The head is going to be cracked now.
I don't know. Is it smoking or no?
No. You can contact the tracer to the body, huh?
Yeah. And then can you turn it off for me real quick? Okay. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing I could cover here. I mean, if he wants to do the repair himself, that's fine. But I mean, I can't really determine that it's a blown head gasket. I mean, if there's more other things, I can't. I mean, there's nothing there. If it's overheating, okay, sure, but it's something else. You know, that motor sounds okay. I don't think it has nothing to do with the plug at all. But I mean, if there is a repair that needs to be done, it's him. Tell him. I mean, I'll show this to my corporate bosses too and everything, and I'll let them know what's going on. But I mean, for now, I can't really do nothing. But I mean, again, I can't even say that we will not pay. I still have to let my bosses know.
Yeah, but you know, because I started and he don't have the money and he think you're gonna pay, and then when I go in the half of the work, he say, hey, they don't want to pay. He's don't have some money. That's a problem for me, huh?
Yeah.
Because I don't have room to
I know.
get a car.
I know. I see that you have a lot of work. What I would do is I would